Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily set the border right color, that is how we can add a color to an element's right border. So for that use the border hyphen right hyphen color property in CSS. So right now we have an example here. We have a heading and a paragraph tag, that's it. That is heading and a paragraph. The paragraph is having a border as you can see here. So border we have set using the style tag. For paragraph, that's why we have entered the CSS properties and values under the P tag. Right now we have set the border style, the color to orange and border width as 5px. Now guys, what we need to do, we need to set the border right color. So that would be very easy. I just told you, you need to use the border hyphen right hyphen color property. So that's it. Here in type border hyphen right hyphen color property and set it to any color. Let's say I'll set it to blue. That's it. Now when I'll save and run it, what will happen? The border right color, that means the following will be blue, rest will be the same. Why? Because we have set the border hyphen color to orange. So let's run it and see that the right color is changed to blue or not. So here it is, you can see we have changed the right color to blue easily. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily work around the border right color property so that we can add color to an element's right border. Thank you for watching the video.